Picture a greenhouse in Naldwike at 5 a.m. Rows of tomatoes under artificial light, energy bills climbing faster than the plants. The owner, let's call him Alex, stands there, muttering the same sentence he said for years. Come on, stop being soft, push harder. He believes this voice is the only thing keeping the business alive. But every evening, the same thing happens. The moment he sits down, his mind replays every mistake of the day. He scrolls instead of planning tomorrow's orders. He wakes up exhausted and the cycle repeats. It's not your fault if this sounds like your own life. This is so normal. This is what happens when self-help turns into self-attack. Most of us have done exactly what Alex did. We read the books, follow the advice, and set really tough goals for ourselves. We tell ourselves being hard is the only way to get better. All those popular tips about morning routines and habits sound great at first, but they don't work well when your mind and body are already on high alert. The short burst of energy fades fast, and things feel even harder. The research is clear on this. Being hard on yourself is closely linked to giving up more easily. You end up putting things off. The drive you want just disappears. Alex thought he was staying strong. Really, he was setting off the same old survival alarm his ancestors felt when facing real danger. Here's what actually goes on inside when that inner voice gets mean. Your body's built-in smoke alarm starts blaring. Stress chemicals flood your system, like drinking way too much coffee and feeling wired but completely drained. It's not a small warning, it's a full emergency response. When you keep criticizing yourself, that alarm stays on all the time. Your brain's natural ability to grow and repair gets weaker. Quiet inflammation builds up. The part that spots danger stays switched on. The overthinking loop in your head won't stop. The part that makes you feel motivated and rewarded gets quiet. This is exactly why Alex could keep doing the small, safe tasks, but freeze when it came to the important decisions. His body had decided tomorrow wasn't safe. You're not broken for feeling stuck like this. Now, watch what changes when the same mind starts getting safety signals instead of constant criticism. Being kinder to yourself isn't weak. It's a clear message that says you're safe enough to keep going. Calm feelings rise up. The part of you that feels rewarded wakes up again. Your mind gets clearer support. Clear thinking comes back. Many studies that looked at harsh self-talk also looked at kinder self-talk. People put things off less. They stick with things longer, even after messing up. In tough situations, this kinder approach brings real calm for a lot of people. It's not just nice words. It actually changes how your system works. It's not your fault the old way kept failing. Alex started small. When the voice said, "You're behind," he answered, "Of course this is hard right now. You're still showing up." Nothing dramatic, just honest words, spoken gently. 6 months later, the difference wasn't about working louder or harder. It was quieter, steadier progress. The same greenhouse, the same long days, but the evenings no longer turned into endless replaying of mistakes. The important work started happening naturally because his mind stopped treating every setback like a threat. This is the basic system most self-help completely misses. How you talk to yourself isn't just background noise. It's the main control system deciding whether your mind stays open to growth or stays locked in protection mode. Once you truly see this, speaking to yourself more kindly isn't some new rule you have to force. It becomes the most natural next step. You're not alone in this, and you're already closer than you think.